Have you ever tried copying a large file, maybe a movie or a software installer to your USB, only to get that annoying message? The file is too large for the destination file system, even though the drive clearly has plenty of space. Well, today I'm going to show you the real reason this happens and how to fix it in less than 1 minute. So on my screen, I have a file on the left that I want to move to the USB drive. The file is 7.22 GB and my pen drive on the right has a massive space of 28 GB of free space. Everything should work right. But the moment I move the drive into the USB, I have the error saying the file is too large for the destination file system. Now here is the secret. Your USB drive is most likely formatted in FAT32, and FAT32 cannot transfer any file larger than 4 GB, no matter how much space you have. Let me show you proof. I'll right click my USB pen drive and I'll click properties. Under the file system, it says FAT32, and that's the main reason. Now let's move on to how to fix it. Click on the Windows search and type cmd. Then click run as administrator. Click yes to continue. Now type this simple command. Type convert space then the drive letter of your pen drive. My drive letter is I. So I'll type I, then colon space /fs colon NTFS. Hit enter and wait a few seconds. Once it's done, command prompt will say conversion completed. Now let's confirm. I'll head to my USB drive and then right click and then click properties. You get to see the file system have been changed from FAT32 to NTFS. Now I will try copying the same file into the USB drive. As you can see, it works perfectly. No errors. This is one of the quickest and safest way to fix the file too large error on any USB pen drive, external hard drive or memory card. If this solved your problem, make sure to hit the like, subscribe and drop a comment if you want more Windows tips and fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.